How to fix macro or 0.5 zoom not working on iPhone. So if you want to fix macro or 0.5 zoom not working on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your camera. After opening your camera, you just need simply go and switch between your camera options, like for example cinematic, video or photo or portrait. Just switch between these sections, and once you've switched, you might have the 0.5 or the macro option. You can go and select the 0.5 on your photo or your video, anything that you're comfortable with. But if this doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go back and open up your settings. Now, under settings, you just need simply scroll down and then go with general. Under general, go with software update. And if you have any updates, any software updates, then you just need simply go and check for updates and update your software. Once you update it, your problem might be fixed. The next thing you need to do is just go back and then open up your app store. From your app store, you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for an application, which is Check My Device. Once you've searched, you'll find the application of Check My Device right here. You need to tap on it. After installing the application, you can just open it up and find out the camera application, check whether if you have any software glitches or any hardware issues, and your problem might be fixed. Even after that, if it's not working, then it could mean that you have problems with your hardware. But lastly, before you take before you take your device with Apple, there are some simpler things that you can do. Open up your settings, scroll down, and then you'll find a camera icon. Tap on it. Now just go ahead and tap on record video, which is on the top. Choose 180p instead of 4K. After that, scroll down and you'll have an option of show PAL formats. Make sure that this is turned on. Also disable the option of HDR video, and also try to enable the auto FPS option and see if that works. Now you can go back and open up your camera and check whether it works or not. And these were the few solutions. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.